Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pupchannel channel. In this video, I'll be discussing with you my experience on Fiverr when purchasing a SEO content writer. If this interests you, then please keep watching. Okay, for starters, a SEO copyright is the practice of producing key optimized content that's designed to appeal to human users and search engine algorithms. SEO copywriting is writing content that Google can understand, and at the same time that content needs to be the type of content that people want to read, link to, and share. Okay, so SEO copywriting is important because it contains key phrases, words your target reader types into a search box to find information that they want. Number 2, it helps online content rank higher in search results. Number 3, it drives qualified traffic. Okay, so basically I was looking for someone to write content for my website that I was going to get. And then I came across this SEO copyright thing, so I decided to give it a try. And what I'm going to do is try a couple of people and see if they can come up with something that would be perfect for my website. Okay, so the first person I was looking at is a guy named Chaudhry570, and here is his information here. He quoted me a price of like $50, and he was going to do a number of things. He even was willing to show me samples and whatnot, and that's what you're looking at right here. I wasn't quite sure because yeah, I thought $50 for all of that was pretty enticing. But some of the other prices I saw, they were much higher than this, so I was willing to give him a try. Okay, so I decided to check his reviews. He only had like 6, and I see the same name that's popping up like more than once, and I thought that was pretty strange, you know. So I decided to click on that link basically to see if that person was online, and it turns out that they were. As you can see here, this is the other person. They doing the same thing but for much more money. So I don't know what's going on with these two. So ultimately, I decided not to go with this particular person. Okay, so I searched again and I found this guy called Vince Content, and he had a lot of reviews, and I didn't see any of the reviews were the same person. And so you go on his gig or whatever, he's offering it for like the highest one for $50, but however he quoted me a price of like $80, so I decided to give him a try. Okay, so right here I was just talking to him about my website that I had purchased on Bluehost, and I had bought a domain and website, I guess you can say, and he was going to give me do my website with the website content and what have you, and it was going to be like $80. So I agreed and decided to take him up on his offer. Okay, so I'm not skilled on this thing. I just went online and seen what I would want on a website or what was recommended on an e-commerce website, and I just gave him the list, and was hoping that maybe he would be able to you know, fill all that stuff out so that when I do get the website I'll be prepared. Okay, it says bespoken haircutting and wig service. Our bespoke haircutting and wig service is the perfect solution for all ages, individuals across That was supposed to be my location. Tigre.pup Beauty is a customer-centric platform that focuses on offering a wide range of custom wigs and ready-to-wear pieces without fortune spending. Okay, so we are committed to sourcing matchless, real human hair, which builds confidence and gives you a natural look. Visit us today and boost your self-esteem and confidence. That's again my location, renowned hairdressing. Tigre.pup Beauty is a first-class and forward-thinking hairdressing that is fueled by the owner's passionate mission to give you an attractive look. Our elegant, relaxed, and chic atmosphere is designed to give you a lasting experience and make you feel confident. Want to get beautiful hair cutting and wig services? Visit us today and get the matchless combination of experience and craftsmanship. Okay, so I had to look up what bespoke was because I've never even heard of this word before, but apparently it's a British term which means made for a particular customer or user. So there's that. Okay, so the next section is why choose Tigre.pup. I got Tiger here, Pup Beauty. Grow personally and professionally. We stand out from the rest, enabling all ages of people from around where I'm from, okay, to get one window hair cutting and wig service solution to develop personality and grow professionally. High quality hair cutting and wigs. Tigre.pup Beauty keeps your preference and choice at the forefront to provide distinctive hair cutting and wig service solutions. Custom cut and color and wigs color. Tigre.pup Beauty is committed to offering a range of custom cuts and the finest wig color that give your personality a new look and make you confident all the way. Affordability and reliability. We're very affordable and reliable in custom hair cutting and wig products that are crafted from the finest synthetic material. Okay, next section, how to care. When it comes to hair wigs, people desire them to look aesthetic and natural at their best. Most of us already know how to wash the human hair wig, but it can be problematic to find out some of the key components to care and wash it properly. We have outlined the possible do's and don'ts to make familiar our clients about washing and caring for the wig. From explaining the washing and caring for your wig, we've got it covered. Okay, deciding washing wig can be your personal choice before wearing it. Several people around the world prefer washing wigs before wearing it, but one should keep in mind that the wig washing can shorten its lifespan. Caring for human hair wigs. Following 5 steps can be significant to care for human hair wigs while washing. Begin your wig with pre-washing. Use a Y2 comb to gently comb through any tangles. Use cool, preferably lukewarm water to wash the wig. Don't use hot water, salt water, and chlorine as they can damage the wig. Place the amount of shampoo into hair from roots to ends. Don't rub the hair as this can cause knotting. Apply hair wig conditioner. Use a towel lightly and leave it on the wig stand to get it dry. These are some of the few steps that can help you caring hair while washing and making it as its finest natural look. There are also other ways to care of wig hair. If you want to take care of hair wigs, you're suggested to check out other resources available on the internet, daily magazine and articles, etc. Okay, about us. Do you want to enhance your personality with a custom haircut or want to get a gorgeous human hair wig without spending a fortune? Tigre.pup Beauty got it covered. Tigre.pup Beauty is a renowned hair cutting and human wig provider that is located, and that's area I'm located. We understand that looking good not only develops your personality, but also gives you the confidence to face the world. Keeping this view at the forefront, we provide one window solution for all ages individuals. The range of the manufacturer products We also offer aftercare service, including cutting, straightening, texture, color, and much more. We strive to offer high quality custom haircutting service and ready-to-wear wigs to help you gain confidence, self-esteem, and professional growth. We operate with integrity, commitment, and discretion to provide value-added services. Several years of experience and expertise enabled us to build a lasting relationship with our clients across, that's my area. Our exceptional services and finest custom cutting and luxurious human wigs enabled us to build a brand image and make a number of clients. Whether you want to groom your personality with custom hair cutting or to get an attractive look with real hair wigs, we are the best answer. Reach us today to get the perfect solutions at affordable rates. FAQs: can synthetic hair be bleached or colored? No, synthetic hair cannot bleach or color. Can the wig be dried? Use a towel to lightly blot and wait for it to get dried. Avoid using the brush, blow dryer, tongs, and other straightening tools. How long will a hair wig last? On average, a wig can last for 2 to 3 months. A wig should be immediately replaced if density, color, direction, and texture is relatively reduced. Can I sleep with a synthetic real human hair wig? We don't recommend sleeping in a synthetic real human hair wig. Sleeping on a wig can reduce its lifespan by half. How can I wash it? A wig can be washed in cool water, preferably lukewarm. For additional information, please scroll down and read out how to care posts. Are our wigs effective for all ages men? We are committed to providing high quality gigs to all ages men at affordable rates. Our ready-to-wear wigs are adjustable, secure, and effective. How do I care for my wig? A human wig can be washed by the suggested guidelines of our consultant. A wig can increase lifespan if it is blow dried using lukewarm water, because excessive heat can shorten the lifespan of synthetic hair. Can I color a real human wig? There is the possibility to color real human wig darker but not lighter. Coloring a wig requires extensive knowledge and experience. Therefore, we recommend you use our consultant. Do we offer an aftercare service? We can offer aftercare services. Our aftercare service can include blow drying, coloring, cutting, and conditioning. For further information, please contact us. Okay, so this was some other stuff that was supposed to be included: terms and conditions, privacy policy. I wasn't really interested in reading, because after I read that, I was just like totally discouraged. Okay, so I asked them replace the first sentence and grow a personality. I felt it sounded offensive. Could you reword it? Replace my first thing is I asked for a refund, and I was denied that. And so I have a whole laundry list of things that I had needed corrected, which you can see here. Feel free to pause it and look. I didn't get everything that I wanted. I just read it to you, and it was just terrible. It was trash. Okay, so basically I felt like I just wasted all of my money. I know it's $80, but that's $80 I could have used towards something else. As you have just heard, there was a lot of misspelled words, grammatical errors, and everything like that. And I am not an English teacher or anything, but I have a serious problem with run-on sentences and whatnot. But this was just terrible. Okay, so right here, I'm just showing you all of the things I asked to have fixed. And I'm pretty sure I missed, I missed a good amount of things, because the mistakes were so numerous. And no, this is not like a bashing video or anything. I'm not trying to call anybody out. It's just, it was just very frustrating because, like I said, I'm thinking I'm going to get quality work or whatever. Honestly, I don't know. I didn't know what all of, what I would be getting from a website content and CEO and things like that. I just thought it was, to help my my website reach higher in Google search. And seriously and honestly, I felt like so kind of like depressed, because I'm like, this is terrible. I know it's terrible. I don't know if he knows it's terrible, but I mean, I wanted my money back. I can't get my money back. And, these people don't have any credentials that are online that's listed in their profiles and whatnot. So honestly, you never know what you're going to get. Okay, so my final review of this particular person, honestly, there was so many grammatical mistakes and misspelled words. I was disappointed. I asked for a refund. I was refused. I basically had to rewrite it myself and submit it to him for submission. The communication was great. The service was not as described, and I most certainly wouldn't recommend this person. Okay, so in my opinion, this is my first experience with trying to get content written for my my website that isn't existing just yet, but make it CEO optimized. And I gotta say, I was pretty disappointed. It was just a terrible experience, and it was really hard to go through all of this and still have to shell out my money. And I'm starting to think that Fiverr, basically I could come on there and make a gig, because there's no of a way other than, unless it specifically says pro on there. But I guess because you're assuming that these people have the credentials to do what they say that they're going to do, and that's not always the case. So it's always like a big gamble when you're taking on these projects for these people to do it. So that's my experience. I was going to include another gig that I purchased on here, but this video is already pretty lengthy, so I'm just going to save that for another video. Oh, I forgot. I wanted to add one more thing. I gave him as much information about myself. I don't understand why he was toggling between synthetic hair and human hair, or human wig, or whatever he was talking about. So there was no excuse for this to be an issue, because I told him I was doing human hair wigs. I wasn't interested in doing synthetic, and I gave him as much information I can. There's no way I feel like this should have happened. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.